Imagine waking up one day and realizing that robots and AI have completely taken over your job, your routine, and even your decisions. Would you embrace this future, or would you fight back? From factory floors to hospitals, even the entertainment industry, AI and robotics are replacing human workers faster than we ever imagined. But how far will this go? And should we be worried? In today's video, we are diving deep into how AI and robots are taking over our lives, industries, and even our decision making. Whether it's self-driving cars, AI doctors, or robots writing movie scripts, the line between human and machine is getting blurred. And some experts fear this might just be the beginning of something much bigger. AI is everywhere. Examples of AI in daily life. Think about it. Your smartphone assistant is AI, your Netflix recommendations? AI. Even self-checkout machines at stores are part of this robotic revolution. AI is not just something we see in sci-fi movies anymore, it's becoming a powerful force shaping our world. But how exactly are AI and robotics changing our daily lives? Let's take a look. 1. iDiaris Sedilla AF Pound Smart Homes. AI-powered devices like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri control our lights, security, and even our coffee machines. 2. iDiaris Sedilla AF Pound Self-driving cars. Companies like Tesla are pushing the limits of AI-driven vehicles. Will human drivers become obsolete? 3. iDiaris Sedilla AF Pound. AI in healthcare. Robotic surgeons and AI diagnostics are now more accurate than human doctors. Jobs at risk. The rise of automation. One of the biggest concerns about AI and robotics is job loss. Automation is replacing workers in factories, offices, even creative industries like journalism and filmmaking. Did you know that AI can now write news articles, compose music, and even create paintings that sell for millions of dollars? Imagine a world where human creativity is no longer unique. Let's take a look at the top industries most affected by AI. AO. Manufacturing. Robots like Boston Dynamics Atlas are replacing human labor. AO. Customer service. AI chatbots are handling customer queries faster and cheaper than human agents. AO. Retail. Amazon Go stores use AI-powered self-checkout systems, reducing the need for cashiers. The good side of AI benefits of this technology. But AI isn't all bad. It's also making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. AI solves problems faster. From finding cures for diseases to predicting natural disasters, AI is saving lives. AI in space exploration. NASA is using AI to plan missions to Mars and beyond. Currency. AI can help disabled people. Robotic limbs and AI-driven speech assistants are transforming lives. The dark side of AI. Should we be worried? But with all these advancements, some experts warn that AI could eventually outsmart humans. And the biggest question is, so what happens when AI starts making decisions without us? Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has warned multiple times that AI could become more dangerous than nuclear weapons. But why? Deepfake technology. AI can now replicate human voices and faces to create fake videos that look real. AI in warfare. Countries are building AI-powered weapons that can make battlefield decisions without human intervention. Super intelligent AI. If AI becomes smarter than humans, will we still be in control? The reality is AI and robotics are taking over faster than we expected. Some say it's the start of a new golden age, while others fear it's the end of human dominance. But what do you think? Will AI make our lives easier or put us all out of work? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mind-blowing AI and tech updates.